In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a quiz to your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to engage visitors, gather feedback, or simply add an interactive element to your site, creating a quiz can be a great way to enhance user experience. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily add a quiz using Squarespace's built-in tools. To start, you'll want to navigate to the page on your Squarespace site where you'd like to add the quiz. Once there, you'll need to add a new content block. This is a simple process and is the foundation for your quiz. Look for the option to add a block and select Form. The form block is incredibly versatile and will serve as the perfect base for your quiz. Now that you have your form block in place, it's time to get creative with the questions. Squarespace provides several options for question types, allowing you to customize how you gather responses. You can use radio buttons, checkboxes, or drop downs to list your questions and possible answers. Each type of question field offers unique benefits, so think about the kind of interaction you want to encourage. Radio buttons are ideal for questions where you want the user to select just one option. This is perfect for questions like, "What is your favorite color?" where the respondent should only have one answer. Checkboxes, on the other hand, allow for multiple selections and are great for questions that might have more than one right answer, such as, "Which of the following activities do you enjoy?" Drop-downs are useful for saving space and providing a clean look, especially for questions with many options. As you set up your question fields, consider the flow and order of your questions. Try to make them intuitive and engaging to keep the participant interested. Once you've added your questions, you may want to add a submit button to finalize the quiz. Squarespace allows you to customize the button text, so feel free to get creative or keep it straightforward with something like submit answers. After creating your questions and adding the submit button, you should set up where the responses will go. Squarespace forms can be connected to your email, Google Drive, or other applications, ensuring that you receive and can manage the responses efficiently. This step is crucial, especially if you're using the quiz to gather important data or feedback. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've added a functional and engaging quiz to your Squarespace website. Remember to test your quiz to ensure everything works smoothly and see how it looks on both desktop and mobile views. Quizzes can be a fantastic way to interact with your audience, provide value, and make your site more dynamic. I hope you found this guide helpful and are ready to create an engaging quiz for your Squarespace site. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy quizzing!